Hello students, this is Dr. Griffin and I'm your online instructor from Triton College. Again, welcome to my class. I hope that you will enjoy the class. But I wanted to just send out a quick announcement today. Today is Wednesday, January 24th. As you know, the classes started on Monday. I have looked at the class. It looks like just about everyone is logged in. You know what your assignments are for the week. So I just wanted to send this announcement along with some Connect instructions out to you quickly today. There's nothing you need from me on the Connect code. Again, if you purchase the textbook in the Triton bookstore, it comes with the Connect code, which gives you access to the LearnSmarts homework, quizzes, and exams. Or you can buy the least expensive way is just the Connect code, which gives you the access once you've logged in to all the assignments that are Connect related. But also it's an electronic version of the book. So whichever is best for you. If you buy the Connect code from the McGraw-Hill site for this class, that's fine. Either way. But some of you have asked me about instructions that I need to give you to log into Connect code. You do not need that. I'm just going to send you the instructions out in this announcement. Go to a LearnSmart. That would be the easiest way to do it. Click on the first LearnSmart and then follow the instructions on how to register in the Connect code. Once you've done it, you do not have to do it again. All right, so read the instructions over in the Connect code. Let me know if you have any questions. Be happy to answer them. And then I'll be back to you very frequently. Always here to help you succeed. So again, welcome to my class.